Do you love the Panda Express Honey Sesame Chicken? Well, I have a copycat recipe for you, and it's easy to make. We're breaking it down into 3 components. First, the sauce: sesame oil, garlic, red chili flakes. We're going to saute this till it gets nice and flavorful. Add some water, sugar, honey. Let it thicken a little bit. We're going to add in some cornstarch, some vinegar, and then a cornstarch slurry to really thicken it up. We're going to finish it with a little bit of lemon juice for that pop of flavor. We're going to make the marinade of the chicken. You can see right here. Cut up your chicken breast, toss that right in there. Let that marinate. It's going to make your chicken flavorful and tender. We're going to make the crust. That's cornstarch and flour. Batter up your chicken, let it rest for a little bit. Deep fry in 350 degrees. And we're going to make a saute of yellow bell pepper and green beans. When that gets tender, put in the sauce and put in the chicken, and there you go. You can enjoy your homemade Panda Express favorite: crispy chicken, tender vegetables, that irresistible sweet and tangy sauce. Copycat.com.